Alright, so I did an unboxing of the Defy DAC622 a few weeks ago, and it's now 2 weeks later, and this fridge is not working. Yeah, unfortunately, it's, as you can see, plastic still on, but it is not working. Yeah, so that's the fridge inside. As you can quite clearly see, it's set to its highest, but it doesn't get cold. See, everything is basically stayed warm now, and the fridge is down there. I was a bit disappointed with the actual work on this, all the joints or whatever you want to call it. As you can see, really isn't done up to spec. Not sure what that one they look like, but yeah, anyway, here's the freezer, and as you quite clearly can see, nothing's working here. The only thing you hear is water running, and that's it. Yeah, so very disappointing. I really thought this is going to be the fridge, and it's after 2 weeks it's seriously packed up.